In today's video, I'll show you how to add images and photos in Beautiful.ai presentations. First, search for Beautiful.ai in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, click the presentation where you want to add images or photos. Next, when you're on the editing page, click Add Slide. Then, in the search bar, type image and choose the image slide format you want from the available options. After selecting one, click it and you'll be taken back to the editing page. From here, click the camera icon inside each image box to add an image. You can choose from stock images by scrolling down or by searching for a specific image. Simply type the image you want, wait for it to load, scroll through the results and click the image. Once selected, it will automatically appear on the slide. If you want to upload an image from your own files, click the camera icon again, then select Import. Next, click the Upload box, choose your file, click Open, and the image will appear on the page. Finally, you can resize the image however you like by adjusting it directly on the slide to fit your layout. And that's it. That's how you add images and photos in Beautiful.ai presentations.